Hi, at this simple video I would like to explain you how NutriBot pricing works. Please take a look. First of all, the pricing is divided on the three most important layers. They are marked by the colors. The red one is the back office only, so you will have only back office features here, so only for the MealPrep company. The yellow layer includes the features for the company, so the back office ones, and the front end for your customers. And the white one is the enterprise, so it is for the biggest companies with their individual approaches and requirements. The Backoffice Essential plan is dedicated for the smaller companies, for the beginners, which would like to replace their Excel sheets with good automated tool. So you will receive here all your customers lists. You can add new customers to the NutriBot. You can manage their meal plans, their orders. You can create your offer with your meal plans with the variants. You can check all the sales reports. You can build your menu. You can generate the most important basic reports for the kitchen, like how many meals you need to prepare and who order what kind of meals. And there is also label generator, so you can generate your labels. You can use our really powerful delivery features like the delivery back office with the delivery planning and the delivery mobile apps for your drivers. You can find them here. And the back office features you will find there, or you can click on the highlighted links to read more about the features. The Backoffice Professional tier is dedicated for companies which have their own front end and they don't need our front end, so they can use our advanced dietitian module, which you can find here. There are features dedicated for the dietitians and nutritionists, so there is a list of ingredients with all the macros. You can build your own recipes and create the menus based on them, and based on this specific things you can generate really advanced production reports starting from the shopping list. You can take care about your food cost level, cooking reports, detailed meal weights reports, so the food containers packaging, and even the exclusion handlings. The e-commerce starter plan is dedicated for the small companies which would like to use the front end. So here you will find all the features available in the Backoffice Essential with our front end features. So you will find there the client's online store for customers, they can place their orders, the client's website panel, so they can log in on the website and manage their meal plans, the client's mobile app, so they have access to your meal plan all the time thanks to the smartphone with their pocket. Additionally, you will find here the loyalty program and all the communication features to better communicate with your clients. eCommerce Professional is the simple and the most powerful plan. So here you will find all the features from the Backoffice Professional plan and the eCommerce Starter plan. So all the features from the back office and all the features from the front end. You will ask, so what is in the eCommerce Premium? There is additional white labeled mobile apps. So here, if you click at this link, you will see the details, but here you will find the mobile apps branded with your brand, not the NutriBot one. And the enterprise tier is dedicated for the biggest companies with their own requirements, integrations, and so on. So there is individual approach. The pricing is built with 4 different layers. First of all, you will pay your monthly or annual subscription, which is fixed. It starts from $99 up to $449. The second layer is the transaction fee. So in the back office tiers, we will not charge you for the transactions fees, so it is 0%. In the e-commerce tiers, there is additional transaction fee, but what you should notice, we will not charge you anything more for the front end. The plans have the same pricing like in the back office, and we will charge you only for the front end efficiency. So similar like in the different e-commerce platform like Shopify, we will charge you the commission of sales, but there is no any flat fee payment for these powerful features. The third layer is the optional onboarding. So if you decide to take it, we will describe to you the dedicated consultant, which will provide you through the video meetings and help you onboard the whole software. It is about 20 hours of work of our consultant. And the last is white labeling fee, which is only in the premium tier, so we will charge you one time for preparing white labeled mobile apps. The enterprise tier is really individual, so there can be some one-time fees and of course subscription fees and transactional fees, but it needs to be calculated individually. About the transaction fees, you will find more details at the bottom, but in general, if you are bigger, your transactions fee are smaller. I hope this video will help you understand our pricing better and choose you the best tier. If you have any question, please contact with our sales team, and see you in the next videos. Bye!